Hello, my name is Chris Wendler in Gainesville, Florida, and I'm here to explain my experience with PPM Solar.
My name is Hadley. It's a pleasure meeting you here today. And may I ask you, what motivated you to actually consider solar? What was the driving factors behind even just the consideration of going solar?
For us, me and my wife, we've discussed it for a little while, and we did some renovations on the house to save the energy and also to help the environment, because we are concerned about that. And we've had hybrid vehicles in the past, and so we're very much interested in this. And then even now, my wife is talking about getting an EV vehicle so that we can be even more off the grid, I guess.
Sure. No, that sounds wonderful. And so why exactly did you choose PPM Solar over other companies?
Well, I have to thank my wife, Carol, for that. She did a lot of research, looking at reviews and looking at basically previous experiences people have had with you, and you came back with very good reviews. And I must say that we're very happy with our experience with PPM Solar. It's been very smooth. You guys have taken care of all the details for us. It's been very minimal work for us, and everybody I've interacted with from PPM Solar has been very nice and very concerned about our experience and making sure that everything goes right. That's one part that I like the best, is they've been very well at communicating what's going to happen and when it's going to happen, and that prepares us, and it makes the process go a lot smoother, and we're very happy with that experience.
Well, thank you. So what was the experience like the day of the installation and working with the actual installation crew?
They were very nice, and I had prepped the garage for them to put in the batteries and stuff like that. And when they showed up, they were very professional, and they mostly worked on the side of the house where all the boxes are and everything. And then later on, I was able to come back out, and they ran through some of the stuff, the systems for me, and gave me an idea, got me hooked up so I can use the app for following the flow of energy, and so they were very helpful that way.
Great, thank you. And so what would be your advice to others that are considering solar?
I think it's a very good idea, because we're saving a bunch of energy. With the app, it actually shows us how much energy we're saving every day or over the month. We're still very new. It's only a couple of weeks in, so we don't know what the total savings are going to be, but we're always looking at it. It's like, are we pulling off the grid? Are we pulling off the battery? We're hoping for sunlight now.
Mm-hmm.
But one thing it has done, though, is it's made us very aware of our energy consumption. And so when we watch the app, we know that it's high. It's like, why is it high? And so we're much more conscious about what we have turned on. We go off, turn the lights off. We turn things off that we don't need, much more before than when we had solar.
Mm-hmm. And I was showing you a little bit earlier that your system will produce about 20,000 kilowatt hours of electricity annually, and that translates into over 16,000 pounds of burned coal annually, literally every single year. I'm just curious what you thought about that.
I can't even imagine how big a pile that would be. That's a huge amount of coal,
isn't it?
And that's amazing.
Yeah, it really is amazing, isn't it? So, do you recommend PPM Solars to others considering going solar?
I definitely do. Like I said, the experience has been smooth. They've taken care of all the details, and I have no problems with them at this point. Everything went as they said, and it was a great experience, and I'm very happy with the system, and it's working great.
Well, great. Thank you so very much, Chris. It was a real pleasure meeting you today, and we thank you so much for your kind words about PPM Solar.
Well, thank you.
You have a wonderful week and a future in solar.
Thank you.